In this video, I will teach you how to use threads from Instagram. First, we need to open Instagram. Now we go to our profile. Here, we tap at the three lines at the top right corner. We may find threads here, but I will teach you how you can get it if you don't have it here. If you do find it, just tap on threads, and you will come to a screen like this one. Here, just press on Get Threads, and open with Google Play Store. Here, we will be able to install the app. I will teach you how to use it in a second, but if you didn't find Threads, just go to Play Store and search for Threads, an Instagram app. Just tap on it and press here. Now just wait until the installation is completed, and you can open it here or from the new icon in the menu. Once the app opens, you can log in with Instagram, but if the account it shows isn't the one you want, just tap on Switch Accounts and select the account you want. Once you log in with your account, you will go to this screen. Here you'll find your Instagram name. You can add a bio or a link, or import that from Instagram. Otherwise, you can skip by pressing the arrow at the top right corner, and just import and press continue. Next, you must choose if your profile would be public or private, and tap on continue. Here it might show you some accounts to follow on Threads according to the accounts you follow on Instagram. You can follow them, or otherwise skip by pressing the arrow at the top right corner. Here we have some information about how Threads works. Tap on Join Threads. Once we are in the app, we have 5 options. The first option, Home, is where we can explore Threads. The second icon is Search, where we will be able to find some accounts. Also, we can search for specific accounts by pressing on the search bar. Next, we have the Create option in the middle. Here you can create a thread. They are like tweets, but they allow 500 characters. And the big difference between Threads and Instagram is that here you can add video or pictures, but it's not necessary. Once you write something, you can tap on Post or click on Anyone Can Reply, so you can choose who can reply to the thread. Anyone, the profiles you follow, or the ones that are mentioned in this thread. I will just tap on Post, and the thread will be posted. The heart icon is Activity, where we can see people who followed us, the replies we got, mentions, and some other stuff. The last icon is Profile. Here we can edit our profile, share it, or even see the threads we posted. If we press on the 2 lines at the top right corner, we will see settings and some options similar to the ones we find in Instagram. If we press the Instagram icon, we will go to our Instagram account. Let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.